Okay, now let's do our
The
stretch.
green ring, you want to be able to lift that off. So to get closer, I want you to bump her. Okay. You want to back her up 3 steps. Keep hold of that. No, keep hold of it. Back her up 3 steps so you can go through there. Back her up. Squeeze with your legs.
Whoa.
Okay. Got to think process. Okay, now back her up another step. Squeeze with your legs. Good. Hands down.
3.
Take a breath. Walk her through. Whoop.
That's hard.
No, get serious.
Okay.
Turn her through. Couple steps this way. Turn your wrist this way. Follow me. Just a couple of steps. Slowly. One more. And turn her head this way. And stop. Good. Now you're going to back her up, but using your leg on her side. Start backing.
Sit back. Oh, you don't have to grab it. You don't have to grab it. Just let go. Let go. You're fine. You just touch it.
Now back
There,
her up.
that's nice.
Bump
That's
her
a
with your
touch.
foot.
Yeah.
Ask her to back. Your hand. Back. Back. Good. Back. Now stop with that leg. Back her up. Using this leg. And your hands. And your hands. Bump, bump, bump. Okay, can you reach it?